country, Honduras. First, we must prepare the dough. Ingredients for dough preparation: 4 pounds of flour, 1 bag of salt, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of oil, 2 cups of water. Cookware, 1 deep cup. We mix all the ingredients into a container, the flour, the salt, the sauce, the oil, and we integrate the ones integrate without water. And begin to can it. Mix until the dough is with beautiful consistence. Until the flour does not stick to our hands, and let it rest 15 or 30 minutes. Once our flour has rested, we begin to make our tortillas. Cookware, 1 griddle, our clean hands, and 1 plate. We make our tortilla. Ingredients: 2 cups of cooked beans, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of spices. Cookware, 1 blender to blend the beans, 1 spoon, and 1 saucepan. We move our beans. When we finish cooking our beans and our flour tortillas, we put the beans inside the tortilla. We put puree on it and ready to eat. Okay. Delicious. If you don't want to eat your simple baleada, you can eat your baleada with butter, beans, and eggs. Make our eggs. Ingredients: eggs, salt, and oil. Utensils to use: saucepans and a spoon. We add oil to the saucepans. Make the salt and start adding our eggs. Cook them until they are well chopped. Add the egg to our baleada and ready to eat. Bon appetit!